Glizzy, nigga.
Nah, that refrigerator,
I don't give a fuck.
like that. That refrigerator might be chilling.
Big flock push
Chulo's mom
30
give
RD
fuck.
tone on blast for buying and wearing fake DORs and Yeezys. Let's pick the video and turn it up. This you?
Why don't you pull your shit up, fool?
I have found the male.
I guess I gotta do it.
DORs.
I guess I gotta
The
do it.
doors.
Smoker be rolling around in his grave. Pop Smoker be rolling around in his grave. Cause the door. DIOR. No, like the number. It's gonna tell you your size and all that right there, Bob. I was like, hey. Hold up, move your face, Holmes. Fuck. Make sure. Give you all the backstory on why I found out he had on fake DORs. So boom, it turns out I wakes up out my sleep. Once I wakes up out my sleep, boom, my fake DOR says you got the tangle. Boom, that's it. I get up, I look smack.
DORs. The law over with, little man. He ended it. Leave.
What the fuck does that say? Glizzy smashed Chulo's mom. Hey, woo. Your man is a dyke, Holmes. I swear to God. Oh, bro, your ass is a dyke. Man is a cold dyke. Fuck out of here. Ass is a bitch.
Why is he?
I don't know.
His phone might have went dead. Chulu was turned up at night.
Man, that's no gay ass.
That refrigerator was like that.
Yeah, refrigerator, it was like that though. He's still a bitch.
I ain't never seen it.
I'm gonna whoop his ass and make sure he can look up his ass whooping on his refrigerator. Fuck that, bro. I gotta put him on YouTube. Fuck that. Nah, he spanked with the fridge though, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. He did.
Nah, I ain't ended Bob trying to get that motherfucking $50. I put the sit there 10 minutes ago.
They just mad on me, please, nigga.
Fuck up.
Nah, Chulu. Hey, Chulu.
The first
How much
male
a
with the
refrigerator like that cost though?
huh?
Like, I know you probably don't know the exact amount, but like, what you think? Like more than 5,000, right?
He don't. His mother called. Man, his mother called that play.
My refrigerator's high as
What a
shit though, bro.
refrigerator?
Nah, for real.
Let me see your refrigerator, 30.
What? You fuck you want to see?
Keep showing that low ass
My
bankroll. That's the
was
refrigerator
free.
right
It came
there.
with the microwave.
Shit, there's vegetables and shit like that here, sir.
Vegetables. That motherfucker ain't got no touch
All right,
screen.
let's see the vlog video.
Look, bitch, stop playing with me.
We don't even want to see your refrigerator no more. We
Why you want to see that video though, man? What type of time you on?
No,
The doors. DORs. The doors.
Rolling around in his grave. Pop Smoker be
it's
rolling
the tongue
around.
on them Jones global.
The doors.
No, like the number. It's gonna tell you your size and all that right there, Bob.
That nigga can't even tell you how much the refrigerator costs because he ain't even buy
The
it.
doors.
And your ass need to. Yeah,
The
you ain't even
doors.
pay for the door.
Them Jones came with a date on them.
Give you all the backstory on why I found out he had on fake DORs. So boom, it turns out I wakes up out my sleep. Once I wakes up out my sleep, boom, my fake DOR says you got the tangle. Boom, that's it. I get up.
My fake Dior sense get the tingling. It's crazy.
How soft and orthopedic look. I'm like, damn, bro. Where the fuck you get them yours and shit, bro? So, huh? Niggas went home. Regular scheduled programming and shit. So, boom, so I'm like, bro, where'd you get the Dior's? She's like, yeah, you know what? I got it from the Dior store. Yeah, the Dominican in me made me get them jumps. After that,
That's all I'm gonna say.
he's like, nigga, what? Nigga, I can show you the tag on this jump. I can show you the tag. So he flips the tag. I'm like,
That's all I'm gonna say right here.
for a day in my life. Like, what the fuck?
It don't matter what the fuck.
This is just it.
The door.
He went to the car.
This how I'm coming. Kick your
Feezy.
bitch ass head when I see you, bitch.
Look at the young Jesus.
Young Yeezy.
No.
Fuck out of here, young man.
Bro, double back, bro. Double back with the young Jeezys, bro. It's that Yeezys,
Nah,
bro.
I'm letting them get their bid off. Let them bid.
Bro.
Nigga gotta
Bro,
use
I
somebody
didn't
else's
have fake
bid. I'm
Yeezys,
letting
bro.
him get his
That
shit
one
off.
had fake, so I can't. But somebody put the word. It's in the fake Yeezys, bro. How do we?
Young Yeezy.
I'm letting him get his shit off.
Saying, bro, is you trying to go whip that nigga food? Bro, how many more of these do you have in your repertoire, bro? Maybe
He
G-Face,
took them off and built some
maybe
other fake jokes.
Another fake pair of
Right.
sneakers on.
You on some bitch ass shit.
Oh my, bro! I pulled them up, bro, and they did, bro. I didn't pull them up yet. I'll be back, y'all. Wolf gray and orange Yeezys. Let's find out. Yeah, bro. Carfax came back. They're not legit. They are not legit. Who has the receipts for these two shoes? My car. The receipts? You had a box.
Well, my dead cousin, I can never be hurt.
Young Yeezy.
Block money and shit, bro. Block money and shit. He
Bro,
told the
what the
car
fuck
This
you
was during
paying
the
your
came back
note?
pandemic, so I
and
know you're
beat
not getting
on. That's
money.
real.
You gotta go get your get back. You let a nigga clown you in front of your
You about to
face.
be my get back.
Young Yeezy. How that supposed to be your man and he clowning you on the internet?
Who the fuck is these niggas keep
Hey,
saying
Ant,
little slick?
would
Huh?
you have ever did that to your man
Fuck
on the internet?
no.
Exactly. That's not your man. I can see if you did it without the camera, but with the camera on,
I do it without the camera. I wouldn't post it.
yeah, I do it without the
Fool,
camera, not with the camera. With the camera is crazy.
fool
Young
on my life, fool. Niggas not spanking
Yeezy.
me. He's doing the same shit everybody else do.
Yo, that's supposed to be your man. He publicly embarrassed you.
No, he publicly embarrassing Flock. Like, imagine Big Flock with a nigga with them shoes on. Like, he embarrassed Flock.
Boy, shut the fuck up.
My bad.
I'm about to start dragging my fucking feet on both of you funny looking ass niggas.
My bad.
He got more money than you.
What the fuck he don't?
That's the reason.
So Ant don't got more money than you?
Fuck no.
What the fuck you?
Hey, third. That's the reason I don't wear designer.
I don't give a fuck.
First of
What
all,
the fuck?
I don't even know the
Shorty,
difference.
what the fuck is that on your ear? What is
What
that?
was on your feet?
What? Nah. Hold up. Back up real quick. Let me see that, Joe.
You want to see a nigga face?
Let me see that moissanite real quick. Come on, come back. Go ahead, put
You
your
want to see a nigga
earring.
face?
No,
Oh, true.
put your earring on
Young
camera, fool.
Yeezy.
No. Put
Young
your Nah.
Yeezy.
You want it, bruh? Your shit did not even shine,
Young
fool. But no,
Yeezy.
fuck that, Go
Young
back to your ear. Go back to your ear,
Yeezy.
bro.
Young Yeezy.
Go back to your ear, little bro. Go back to your ear. We talking about right now, current day, like present day. Let's
Go
talk
back to
about
your
that.
feet.
Let's
Let's
talk
bring your
about that
feet
cheap ass
back
shit
up.
you got on your ear. Nah, go no.
I have
Now
found
fuck the cam.
the
No.
male
Because now you
DORS.
spank yourself. You spank yourself. No.
DORS.
Let me see that shit on your ear, bro. One more
DORS.
time. You see how his eyes got big as shit? I said something about that earring.
DORS.
Let me see.
The DORS.
Bruh, let me see your ear. Let me see your ear.
Christian
Fool, fuck
Dior.
that, fool. Let me see your ear.
DORS.
Let me see your ear. That nigga real got Clarence and earrings, bro. That nigga got, man, that nigga got moissanite on his ear. That nigga got moissanite on his ear, bro.
What's that?
On my mother, I'm waiting for the new bid, bro. I'm waiting for a 2024 bid, bro. I'm talking about you. No. Your shit say flat. Your shit say non-existent. Your shit don't even
The
blink. Your shit didn't even
DORS.
move. Your shit didn't even fucking flinch. My mother,
Young
put that shit in my nose,
Jeezy.
bro. Show your ears, bro.
Found out he had on fake DIOR.
Show your ears, bro. No,
Let,
show your ears,
let me hear
bro.
the
Door,
Show
door,
your
let me hear
ears.
let me hear
Why
the
Florida.
you
story.
block, bro? Why you trying to negate what I'm telling you, fool? Show your ears.
I look smack down.
I get
Fool,
up.
you got
I look
moissanite
smack
in your
down.
ear, bro. Your ears stink like shit. Smell like all spit, boy. Fuck you talking about back of your ears smell like all
Hey,
fucking
look, he said your sneakers was
boy.
looking
Fuck
orthopedic. Let me
out of
show you
here.
what orthopedic sneakers look
Fool,
like.
but you got on a fake earring on. You got on
Young
motherfucking
Jesus.
$50 worth of earrings on, bro. Trying to look sweet. That's your
Young
biggest shit for no reason. Fuck
Jesus.
out of here. You cheap as shit, young nigga.
DORS. Doors.
They
Fool,
said
fuck
Yeezy
that
Them
lost for
fool. He ain't
250.
win shit. He
slick
can't make
did
his
look like
own
your
bid
joints
up.
though.
And
I
he
ain't gonna
using
lie.
old shit.
Them
Using shit that,
them
bro, you
did look
using
like
shit
your
that Ant
sneakers.
pulled up 2-3 years ago. The fuck? When me and Ant was bidding on each other, that nigga said the same shit.
Like the number 3.
You saying? You can't make your own bid, bro. Yeah, let alone, bro. You got that fake ass shit on your ear right now. Realize making your ears stink. Fuck, your ears smell
The
like dog
doors.
shit, bro.
DORS.
Bruh, alright, bruh. All I'm gonna say is, bruh, if somebody play this motherfucking live back, they gonna see that Aaron, bruh, loud and
The
clear.
doors.
Alright, fool. When a nigga put you on blast about them earrings, then what?
DORS.
Fool, you don't want to be a man about them earrings? Alright, fool. It's cool.
Young G.
You got them
You
big
talking about
ass,
explain
big
the fake
dumb ass
designer.
motherfucking ludicrous earrings, bro. For real.
Young
You got them big dumb ass
Jesus.
ludicrous earrings, bro. Them Jones don't even bling. That
Whoa,
shit was straight
Jamal, pull out the
moissanite.
nine.
Bro, you got moissanite on your ear, bro. It'd be different if you got a little moissanite wash or some shit like that. Okay, cool. You spend like 2-3 thousand, bro. You spend $50 on your earrings, bro.
How
Your
much you
earrings
spent on
back
these?
real ass stink like shit, boy. Fuck is you saying? Real
Bro,
stink right
I got
now,
a
boy.
$40,000
Fuck out of here.
car.
No,
I had
fool.
another drop top car
Bruh,
that
I
was
don't
50,000.
give a fuck.
You
You was
talking
rocking your hips,
about
you
was fake.
faggot ass
You talking
boy,
about was
and you
fake.
got on moissanite right
You talking
now.
about was
You was
fake.
just rocking your hips a couple of days ago.
I don't
Bruh,
even go to the jewelry store.
you would, bro. What the fuck is that on? All right, let me get an ear check, bro.
Go to any
Let's
one
get
of
it.
my
Hey,
pictures.
everybody in the comments, y'all
If
say,
you see me with a
can
chain
we
on,
see
I'm a
your
bitch.
ear?
If you see me
Everybody
with
in
a
the
chain
comments,
on, I'm a
be like,
bitch.
show
If
your
you see
ears,
me with a
bro.
chain, this the only chain ever in my
Hey,
pictures, and
bro.
I was
Hey, nah,
dressing like
fuck that.
whatchamacallit. If
Everybody in
this
the
nigga
comments,
name is
please tell
this
this nigga
nigga,
show his ear.
I don't even wear
All
jewelry.
right, what the fuck is that on your ear? Is that not
Young
jewelry? Bro, if
Jesus.
you don't wear jewelry, okay, what the fuck is that on your ear? Is
You
that not
can't see me
jewelry?
with a chain on.
Bro,
You
okay,
can't see
bro.
me
You
with no
trying to
fake
cap,
chains
bro.
on,
That nigga
no
got on,
fake
bro. You
watches.
got on them big
I don't
dumbass
wear
jumps. It'd be cool if you
jewelry.
had
Come
some
on, let's
cool
go through
little
my
small
highlights.
cheap jumps. You got the big cheap jumps.
I don't
All right,
wear
what the fuck is that on your ear
jewelry.
if you don't wear jewelry?
Young
Let's see that.
Jesus.
Man, get the fuck out of here, bro.
I'll be mad too if I walked around in these.
Ooh, it doesn't matter, fool. Everybody use that same bid. Y'all awesome shit. Okay. End of discussion.
Let me
Let's talk
introduce your
about your
ass to
ear.
this barbecue.
Let's talk about
Let's
your ear. Let's
talk
talk
about
about
your
your ear.
sneakers. Let's
Let's
talk
talk
about
about
your
your
Let me see
ear.
sneakers.
your ears too.
Let's
Bro,
talk
your
Pull it
shit
up.
just
about
was
I
on
your
need to see
camera,
it.
sneakers.
bro, with the
Let's talk
fucking
about your
with the
I
sneakers.
missed it.
screen
What I
flash,
see
bro.
your
Your
ears?
screen
Talk
was,
about your
Let me
bro,
see
sneakers.
your
it.
screen was supposed to
What
make your
I see
motherfucking
your ears,
your
Chulu?
fucking camera
Talk
break, nigga. I'm
about
telling you,
your
Hey,
fool.
Chulu,
sneakers.
what's
Bro,
wrong with
Let's
your
talk
ears,
about
Chulu?
your
let's see your ear,
sneakers.
bro.
Let's
Everybody,
talk
let's see
What?
his
about
ear.
your
Let's see his
What's wrong
ear.
sneakers.
with it?
Let's see that ear, bro.
Go look at my pictures if you want to see my
Let me
ears.
see that ear,
Go look
bro. Go show the
at
ear.
my
You
sneakers
just did
if
it
you want to see
perfectly
my
fine.
ears.
Why the fuck when I said something about your earring, bro, you move fast as shit?
Go look
Why? No,
at
no, no,
my
no,
picture
no,
if you
no,
want to
ain't no,
see my
no,
earring.
no, no. I seen your face. I seen how big your eyes just got, fool. Why did you move that fast when I said something about them earrings?
You talking about moving fast. I
The
went to go
fuck,
get some
bro, you
tissue to
could
blow my
simply,
nose.
fool. You could simply realize on my mother, fool. You could be like this. That's all you had to do. You
I'm
wouldn't
going to
have
get
no
me two
problem, fool.
earrings for
Show
my
the
brother.
You want
earrings.
a
That's what I
nigga to
want.
show you his ears. What
Show
type of
the
timing is you
earrings,
on?
Give me
bro.
some earrings.
Show the earrings. Show the earrings.
You want me to show you
Show
my
the
ears? You want to see my dick next?
earrings.
You want to see my dick?
Show the
You
earrings.
want to see my dick?
Fool.
You
Show
asking to see my
the
ears? You want to
earrings,
see my
bro.
dick next?
Show the
Hey, boo,
earrings.
you
Show the
hungry?
earrings. Show the earrings.
He talking
Show the
about, hey
earrings.
boo, you
Show the
hungry?
earrings. Show the earrings. Show the earrings.
Show the
Show the
sneakers.
ear. Do this. Do this.
Show the CLS
Do
550
this.
that you
Do
said you
this.
had.
Do this.
Show the
Do this.
CLS 550 you said you had.
Fuck out of here, boy.
Show that CLS
Talking about show my
550.
car, bro. You don't even have a car, fool.
I don't got a car.
And you got on motherfucking
I don't got a
seat,
car.
bro. You got seat covers on
Hold
your
on, watch
chair,
this.
like you got seat covers on your
All right,
motherfucking on your
all
car
right. Now
seats,
I'm
boy.
about to
You're
show you
champ as
6
shit. You
cars outside
Mexican
right
and
now.
shit,
Watch
boy.
this. Hold on.
You more
Give me 2
Spanish than
seconds.
me. Fuck. This nigga got a muffler, bro. You got a cold fucking AMG muffler on a fucking Honda,
All
nigga.
right, that's cool.
Fuck
Hold
out of here,
on, watch this.
bro.
Give me 2
You're
seconds.
not
Just
gonna
give me
show
2
them
seconds.
ears though. You definitely not gonna. Hey, on my mother, you never gonna wear them earrings again after this live, fool.
You think he
You not
gave
gonna
it
wear
back?
them earrings no more, fool.
Take the
You
square.
keep talking about fake shit. You got on fake earrings right now, like current day, current time. Like fool is 11. It's about to be 11:11.
All right,
You better
hold
make a
on.
wish for them earrings,
All
bro.
right,
Make a
that's
make,
one call right
make
there.
a wish for
Do your
some real
homework.
earrings.
Let's make a wish.
I don't give a fuck. You really I went in the jewelry store and been like, hey, can I get those right there? Oh yeah, they
That's
only
hold on.
$50. Bet,
Hold on. That's another call right
bruh.
there.
I don't
2
give a
seconds.
fuck,
2 seconds.
bitch. You not even nowhere near your car.
Hold on. Hold on.
Fuck out of here,
Hold
bruh.
on.
You just showed a fucking
That's another
van.
call right there.
Shut your bitch ass
Hold
up,
on.
bro. You
Hold
not
on.
about
Let
to
me
show
keep
me
going.
what your mother
Hold
bought, bro. I don't care, bro.
on.
Your
Hold on.
mother bought these things,
That's
bro.
another call
You
right there.
niggas work hard for
You
shit,
want me to keep
bro.
going?
You need to
You want
work
me to keep going?
hard for
You
some
want me
new
to keep
earrings.
going?
Fuck no, bro. You
Okay.
not. You can show the
Oh,
cars,
okay.
but you ain't gonna
Oh,
show the earrings.
okay. Oh,
Are
okay.
you gonna show
Oh,
the
okay.
cars though? But you can't show the earrings though. Yeah, it's quiet. It's quiet as shit. It's quiet as shit.
You want to see the keys?
Tap ass
You want to see the keys?
earrings, bro.
You want to see the
All right,
keys?
stop showing
Oh, okay.
your
Oh,
mother and your father cars, bro,
wow.
before
Okay.
they beat the shit out you.
Damn.
Fuck,
Damn.
is your name on the titles? Cause my name on my title, fool.
Why you mad? Why you mad you
I'm
broke?
not mad, fool. I'm being dead ass. Show the earring. You not gonna show it? All right, bet.
Your homework on me.
Show the ears, bro. Show the ears, bro. That nigga not even renting the house. That nigga real live letting his mother and father pay for his bills.
Do your homework. It hit
Bro,
different.
you don't have a fucking job, bro. How the fuck do you pay your
Do your
bills?
homework. It hit different.
You talking about do my homework? Where do you work at? I don't never see you at work.
You keep
I have my own.
talking about work. You
I
don't
have my
gotta
own,
work to
bro.
get money.
I'm in the oil industry, bro. I deal with
You
oil,
talking
cooking oil.
about you don't never see me work. You don't
Where's the
never see
titles
me
at,
do
bro?
anything.
All right, can we see the
Do
titles?
you see me
You
pee?
see,
Do you
you
see me use the
showing
bathroom? Do
all
you see
keys.
me
Let me
eat?
see the title then,
Do you
since you
see
got
me
it like that, big
eat?
boy.
Do you see me pee? Do you
Fool,
see me use
show
the
your
bathroom?
titles, big boy.
Do you see me do anything?
Show
Go
your
outside
titles, bro.
and show your
Hey,
cars.
fool.
Can I see your cars?
I'm about to put
Can
my
I
grown man voice on. Hey,
see you
bud,
talking about
show your
oil industry?
titles,
You
fool.
live in the middle of DC. You talking about the oil industry?
On my dead cousin's grave, I'm in oil
Fuck your
industry.
dead cousin.
Fuck out. You keep talking about fuck my dead cousin, bro. I'm telling you, about to be out here, bro. You about to be. You about to have
You
enough
care.
balls
You
to pull
act
up on
like
Aunt
I
Glizzy for his
care.
birthday. I'm telling you. You saying fuck my dead
Nobody give a
cousin,
fuck
bro.
about
Niggas are
your
real
cousin.
low.
Fuck that nigga.
I,
He dead.
I, you rocking hips wearing fake shit,
Your
boy.
cousin
Fuck out
dead.
of here.
Your cousin
You
is
wearing
dead.
fake shit right
Go
now.
dig him
All
up.
right. You saying that? I keep talking about Gills, bro. I'm telling you.
Ah, ah, and you ain't got no car.
Fuck out of here. Don't play with me, bro. Man, time, bro.
Show
Niggas will
your
do something
cars.
to you.
We don't care.
Niggas will
He's
real
dead.
do something to you about
No,
that
you
shit,
not.
bro. Stop saying fuck
No, you
niggas
not.
dead, homie. You don't even know what you getting yourself
No,
into,
you
little bro.
not. I
Man,
don't
time.
care.
I don't even know you enough to even be talking about your
I
dead
don't
folks, bro. I
care.
will fuck
I
you
don't
up about that
care.
though. You
I don't
saying you don't
care.
care,
Chulu,
fool, but you gonna learn
Chulu
the
be
hard way,
spanking
little bro.
niggas dead
You're not
homies in
gonna show them
school.
earrings though. You're not gonna show them earrings though, bruh. And that's not
Go
law,
show
fool.
your cousin.
You
When
gonna
you show
talk
your
about
cousin, I'm gonna show my
materialistic shit, but
earrings.
you got on fake
Put
shit
your
right
cousin
now.
in the camera
About
right now,
fake
and I'm gonna
shit,
show my
bruh.
earrings right now.
You don't give a fuck
Put your
about shit,
cousin in the
bruh. You
camera.
got fake
Put
diamonds on right now. I'm talking about in
hey,
2024,
Aunt
bruh.
wanna laugh so bad. Put your cousin in the camera. I'm gonna show my earrings. Hold on, 2 seconds. I gotta text him. Hold on.
Man, fuck what you texting, young nigga. I'm telling you, fool. You gonna get fucked up about that shit.
You try to see about that too?
You mad at me because he
I'm
dead?
gonna show him. I'm gonna show him, cuz.
You mad at me?
I'm telling you, I'm gonna put him on. I'm gonna put him on camera. I'm gonna put him on my YouTube. I'm gonna make sure you. I'm gonna make sure for a fact you come on my
This
YouTube,
how
man.
KP career ended, Chulo. KP career ended because he went against the nigga that
Right.
fed him.
Shut your bitch
dickhead.
ass up, bruh. You a real live, bruh. You a real live on ass.
You mad? Why you mad?
Hey, Chuap. Let me see them earrings.
You just call me what?
Let me see them. Let me see them earrings,
The fuck
Chulo.
you just call me?
Bro,
Like
my
comment
dick,
is you on?
bro, on everything I love, fool. I'm
You
not hurt.
sounding
What
niggas'
the
names
fuck do I look like?
out and
Forbidden.
giving it extra adjectives.